If you're upgrading your Mazda's stereo system, the wiring harness you choose can make or break the installation. The Scosche Wiring Harness, designed specifically for 1991 and newer Mazda models, offers a seamless fit without the headache of cutting factory wires. Every wire is clearly labeled with its exact function, making your job straightforward and hassle-free. What sets this wiring harness apart is its adherence to EIA standard wiring color codes. This means every power and speaker wire matches perfectly with your vehicle's factory harness. No guesswork, no mismatched connections, just a smooth, reliable setup that gets your audio system up and running fast. Scosche has been a trusted name in car stereo installation accessories for over 40 years. Their experience shines through in every product they make. From dash kits to amplifier wiring kits, their accessories are designed with quality and affordability in mind. When you buy from Scosche, you're investing in decades of expertise and rigorous quality control. One of the biggest concerns when installing aftermarket stereo components is compatibility. The Scosche wiring harness eliminates this worry. It's engineered specifically for Mazda models from 1991 onward, ensuring a perfect match that avoids the common pitfalls of universal harnesses. This tailored design saves you time and frustration during installation. Beyond just fitting right, the harness's labeled wires take the guesswork out of connecting power and speakers. Instead of fumbling with confusing wires or risking damage to your vehicle's electrical system, you'll have a clear, color-coded guide right at your fingertips. This clarity not only speeds up installation but also reduces the risk of errors. Another benefit of choosing Scosche is their commitment to customer support. When you purchase this wiring harness, you gain access to lifetime technical support. That means if you ever have questions or run into issues, their knowledgeable tech team is just a call or email away, ready to help for as long as you own the product. Customer reviews reinforce the quality and ease of this product. For example, one Mazda Tribute owner struggled for weeks to find the right connector before discovering this harness. Despite slight differences in color coding, which were attributed to Mazda's own design, the harness fit perfectly and worked flawlessly. That kind of real-world proof speaks volumes. If you value a clean, professional installation without modifying your vehicle's factory wiring, this harness is worth a look. It's designed to integrate smoothly with your Mazda's existing system, preserving your vehicle's integrity while upgrading your audio experience. The harness doesn't just make installation easier, it also protects your car's electrical system. By avoiding cutting or splicing factory wires, you reduce the risk of electrical faults or damage. This means your vehicle maintains its original wiring integrity, which can be important for future repairs or resale value. When you install the Scosche wiring harness, what you get is peace of mind. You'll know that every connection is secure, every wire is labeled, and your stereo system is powered correctly. This kind of reliability matters when you want your audio to sound its best and your installation to last. Worth mentioning is how this harness fits into the bigger picture of your car audio upgrade. It's not just about the wires, it's about creating a foundation for your entire system. A solid wiring harness supports clear sound, reduces interference, and ensures your components perform optimally. If you're ready to simplify your Mazda stereo upgrade, the Scosche wiring harness is a smart choice. It's tailored, reliable, and backed by decades of expertise and lifetime support. Try it when you're ready, and experience how easy professional installation can be. In summary, this wiring harness brings together quality, convenience, and support. It's designed to fit your Mazda perfectly, match factory wiring standards, and come with clear labels to guide your installation. Plus, Scosche's lifetime tech support means you're never left on your own. Choosing the right wiring harness makes a difference in your car audio project. With Scosche, you get a product that respects your vehicle's design and your time. No cutting factory wires, no confusion, just a straightforward path to better sound. If you want a hassle-free upgrade that maintains your Mazda's wiring integrity, this harness is a reliable solution. It's an investment in quality installation and long-term peace of mind for your vehicle's audio system. Don't let wiring challenges slow you down. The Scosche Wiring Harness for 1991 and up Mazda models offers clear labels, perfect compatibility, and a design that fits like a glove. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. Whether you're a seasoned installer or a DIY enthusiast, this harness makes your job easier. The clear wiring labels and exact fit mean less time troubleshooting and more time enjoying your upgraded sound system. If that's you, someone who wants a clean, dependable wiring solution for your Mazda stereo, this product deserves a spot on your shopping list. It's designed to make your installation smoother and your audio experience better.